Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get approved for Robinhood Gold Cash Card. So without being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you just have to open up your internet browser and go to google.com, and here you have to search for Robinhood Gold Cash Card. And then you have to click on the first link or the second link which says apply for the Robinhood Gold Credit Card. I just click on the first one, and here you have to click on reserve your spot, and then you just have to download the application Robinhood Crypto and just click on open in the app, and then just reserve your spot for the Gold Cash Card. And once you are approved, you will receive an email that you have provided while creating the Robinhood account. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.